Hi guys, it's Linh and here's another video on my channel. Today I'm going to take you to an interactive art exhibition in Nihonbashi, Tokyo. It's been a while since I have been to an event like this, so I'm really excited to share this with you guys. The name of this exhibition is Flowers by Naked. It's claimed to be the earliest cherry blossom viewing event in Japan. This is definitely the place to be if you wanna get a head start on the spring season. Right at the entrance is a giant book with beautiful projection mapping on it. This book is a doorway. As you step inside, you will be taken far away from the real world and transported into another universe where flowers, scents, light, dance, and music mingle together. It's so much more than just seeing. You'll find yourself going through an immersive experience in the middle of an enchanted garden. There are several interactive activities planned for visitors to enjoy. Several instruction books are placed around the venue. They tell you exactly how to interact with all of the art installation in this exhibition. Everyone was given a Polaroid picture like this, and we had to place it on any object that had this pink mark. Apparently, they used a special technology which extracted the color of the photo and changed the projection image accordingly. Here's another installation that you can interact with. The weather will change when you stand under the lotus leaf, which is super cool, right? When you stand in front of the holes on the wall, the spring will be woken up and the dandelions will start flying. Once you're tired from wandering around and exploring art, stop by the bar area and grab an original floral drink. If you download the official app on your phone, you can get 100 yen off from any drink. We decided to go for lemonade and sakura tea soda. The little flower inside adds the perfect touch to each drink. Now take a look at the surrounding area. It's decorated as the cherry blossom garden with a combination of fresh and artificial flowers, as well as some hanging paper installation art. There's a live performance every 40 minutes. Some performers will come out and deliver a delightful dance right in front of you, sometimes complemented by the violin sound. Nothing can be better than watching performance and enjoying your drink at the same time in this surreal flowery atmosphere. Before leaving the exhibition, you will pass by this laboratory filled with test tubes and glass bottles. This area is referred to as the secret of the secret garden because all of the fragrance floating in the air inside the venue were created here. Here you will find the testers of those fragrances as well. The souvenir shop is the highlight of this exhibition. There are so many things that you can buy, including preserved flowers, air fresheners, herbal tea, hair ornaments, accessories, and so on. I think the best thing that you can buy here is this special lipstick. As you can see, it is transparent with a small flower in the middle. It is not only pretty, but the color is very cute as well. On the way out, every visitor was given 2 cans of soft drink with cherry blossom flavor. It tastes kind of weird to be honest, but not in a bad way. Anyway, what do you think about this exhibition? If you are into this kind of things, you should check out some other similar videos that I made as well. I will put the link in the description box. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos about life and travel in Japan every week. See ya!